Okay, well, this is it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So what I'm going to do right now is pause the video and mount it on my Onebot, and we'll see it working, and then I'll kind of quickly summarize it all. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, well, I've got it hooked up, and I'm pretty happy with it. It mounts nice. It looks good. I mounted on the motherboard. I can mount it anywhere along the chassis, and of course I can set the angle, all right, and I can lock it in with the screw, but I think that's pretty nice. The next thing I want to say is, of course, I'm including 3 other videos along with this one. 2 of them describing how I drew the part in SketchUp, and 1 of them about hooking up the LCD display. And I do want to end it with just a quick thing. The part that is actually that I'll include in the SketchUp file is not the one I ended the video with. Little changes here. For example, I decided the first time I made it these feet were too thin, so I increased them by a millimeter, so I just dragged those out. I also didn't like the fact that I couldn't fully pivot it because this slot was not deep enough, so I literally just took it and pushed it down some distance. I can't recall what it is. And then last but far from least, the other change that I did to the final, which I'll include, is these holes were just a little bit too small to put an LCD in there and have them hold. So I took and redrew those to a radius of 2.7 instead of 2.8. So I went like this, I went like this, I went here, I dragged it at some distance, it doesn't even matter, just anywhere, and I typed in 2.7, okay, and then of course I zoomed in, and oops, I'm sorry, it must have been 2.6, but I narrowed this diameter a little bit, and then go ahead and export it to STL, and that's what I've included, and that's what I have here. So I will see you again soon on another video. Bye.